Hello and welcome to Excalibur. Now let's see what trades we can take for next week. And today is 12th of January, so we'll look at the trades for possibly next week. So let's look at how the overall market will be. We see the market would be somewhere around 2330, 23,320 to 23,770. So it's going to be a flat market. Historically, 3 weeks out of past 5 weeks, past 3 weeks out of 5 weeks in the past five years has been positive. Jan traditionally has been a negative month, except for a couple of years. So with that broad basis, let's dive deep into certain stocks that we could actually look at buying. So the first thing is um, to look at some stocks that we can buy potentially. So we have uh, agrophosphorus, which looks like it's a buy. Let's look at the 1 year graph. Uh, let's look at the past performance. 83% trade accuracy, max loss is minus 4.95%, max gain is around 19%. So overall, pretty solid performance in the stock. How the seasonalities, it has been not great, but still this seems to be a buy at this point. So that's on the stock. Trading range is somewhere between these two ranges. It's somewhere around 42 to 55. That's the range. Let's look at the forecast. Uh, Looks like a solid positive outlook in the next 25 days. So in the next 20 days. So that's one stock that we can think of. The other one is STC State Trading Corporation. So let's understand what the company is. Um, Exports, imports, and domestic of bulk commodities. That's the stock, and the next 15 days. So the target is 165. Currently, it is at 150. So the next 15 days is above 155. Stop loss is 140. Mind the stop loss. The next support and resistance, you can see the historical performance of the stock is minus 4% max loss plus 28% max gain. So this is another stock that we can consider in the overall flow. So let's go deeper into STZ to try and understand why it is a buy. Let's look at the technicals. The technicals, these are the technicals which are bullish. These are the technicals which are bearish. So in total, we look at over 150 technicals or different time strategies or different time scales. Let's look at the candlesticks. So over 150 candlesticks are forecast. So these are bullish and bearish. The neutrals we don't show. It's just too much of info. Let's look at the Elliott wave. Right now, on the short term, it is in the second wave. In the intermediate term, also it is in the second wave. In the major term, it is still in the second wave. So right now we are looking at a small uh, the earnings per share has been a little negative, minus 1.25. Sales has been going up, the net profit has been stable. So that's stock. It had doubled, but it has come down after that. So this is another stock. Let's look at